Hi, nice to see you here again, and today we're going to talk about insurance policy. So what does insurance policy mean? An insurance policy is a contract between an insurance company or insurance provider and a person or business. In this contract, the insurance company is taking financial responsibility in case of an accident that lies within this policy. The insurance policy outlines the terms of agreement, risk, conditions that are covered, deductible if there are any, exclusions, amount of insurance coverage, and the insurance premium that you have to pay in exchange for coverage. How does insurance policy work? An insurance policy works by transferring your financial risk to an insurance provider in exchange for you paying an insurance premium. You will be protected from financial losses within a specified period from events that are mentioned in your insurance policy. In case the accident occurs, you will have to notify your insurance provider and make an insurance claim, and then submit the required documents and copies. So, how to determine what insurance policy I need? You should select your insurance policy thoughtfully and consider your health, lifestyle, and other external factors, financial situation, and the type of assets you want to protect. So, in case you face difficulties in determining the best insurance policy for you, you can always get professional assistance from our customer service team with high customer satisfaction. What is an auto insurance policy and why do I need it? An auto insurance policy is a contract between you and insurance provider that provides financial protection and takes responsibility for unexpected expenses, so you don't have to worry about paying huge amounts of money out of the pocket. Usually, auto insurance is legally required in order to drive on public roads. Auto insurance policies might include liability coverage, which pays for damages or bodily injuries you cause to others in an accident, or collision coverage, and also comprehensive coverage, which can help you pay for damage to your own car. What is a life insurance policy and why do I need it? A life insurance policy is an agreement between you and an insurance provider that provides you financial protection to the beneficiaries in the event of death. You pay regular premiums to the insurance provider, and in return, the insurance provider agrees to pay a lump sum of money to your named beneficiaries upon the policyholder's death. We recommend buying this policy if you have dependents that financially rely on you, such as your spouse or some children or elderly parents. After death, the named beneficiary will receive a lump sum and will be able to cover funeral expenses and debts if the deceased has any, and support their living. Additionally, if you are a business owner, you can outline in your life insurance policy the transfer of ownership in the event of death and sell your assets. What is a health insurance policy and why do I need it? A health insurance policy is a contract between you and an insurance provider that takes financial responsibility for paying your medical expenses, drug prescriptions, and other related expenses in case you get injured or you get sick. In exchange, you have to pay your insurance premium monthly or yearly, in addition to any copay that may be a part of your insurance policy. Having a health insurance policy can benefit you in different ways. For example, you can get fast access to medical services in network hospitals and might not need to pay out-of-pocket expenses for your treatment. Also, some insurance companies might cover your health checkups so that you can prevent disease and critical illnesses beforehand. When does an insurance policy become effective? So, the effective date is the day, month, and year since your insurance policy becomes active. The date is usually mentioned in your insurance policy. However, additional conditions may apply. For example, for a car insurance policy, you must undergo a car inspection. In case of health policies, you might have to wait for 90 days to start getting covered. Can insurance policy be transferred? Well, in some cases, you can transfer an insurance policy. It mainly depends on the conditions outlined in your policy. Some insurance companies will permit you to transfer insurance policy only in case of death, and other companies will allow you to transfer insured person, beneficiary, vehicle, or real estate. Which insurance policy seems more useful? Each insurance policy vehicle insurance policy, life insurance policy, health insurance policy has its own benefits. So you have to choose an insurance policy based on your current needs. We suggest you to carefully look through benefits and exclusions and compare insurance policies to find the one which suits your needs the most. Who is insurance policy holder? A policyholder is a person who owns the insurance policy and usually is the only person who can make changes in the policy. Additionally, a policyholder is responsible for paying the insurance premiums on time. How to renew an insurance policy? Usually, you can renew your insurance policy at the end of your current insurance policy active period. And before your new insurance policy becomes effective, the insurance provider must overlook new conditions, risk, and then adjust your insurance premium. You will receive a reminder to renew your insurance policy. Can insurance cancel my insurance policy? Well, yes, in case you fail to fulfill your obligations or violate the rules. Some of the reasons might include increased risks, criminal record, too many missed payments, or too many claims, and so on. Can I terminate the insurance policy? Yes, you can terminate your insurance policy. Usually, you will have to submit a written confirmation that you would like to cancel your insurance policy, and in some cases, you might have to pay a cancellation fee. Please ask your insurance provider for more information. Hopefully, today's information was useful for you and help you on decision making before you purchase your insurance policy. See you soon. Bye bye!